Hello everyone, you are watching News by Nagraj. Today's headlines: India said to offer wheat to flour millers, biscuit makers to tame prices. Google building AI model to support over 100 Indian languages. Said by Sundar Pichai, sugar exports may touch 15 lakh tons end of December by ISMA. Nifty recovers 180 points from day's low. Sensex recoups 600 points. Indices end milled in red. Rupee rises 6 paisa to close at 82.69 against US dollars. British bank TSB fined 48.65 million euros over IT platform migration failures. EV maker Lucid closes $1.5 billion raise from the Saudi Public Wealth Fund and the other investors. Bill Gates: our grandchildren will grow up in a world that is dramatically worse off if we don't fix climate change. FTX founder Bankman-Fried sent back to Bahamas jail in day of courtroom chaos. Elon Musk polled Twitter on whether he should step down as a CEO. Most of the voters said yes. Disney shares fall following softer than expected Avatar opening weekend. EU approves measure to limit natural gas prices in effort to combat energy crisis. New British banknotes featuring portrait of King Charles III revealed. Southeast Asian venture capital firms expect to be pickier in 2023 than in 2022. London suffers IPO drought as fundraising plunges by 90% this year. More than half of US states will raise their minimum wage in 2022. But employers, the bulls market's biggest hopes for 2022 are in the portfolios of wealthy young investors. Goldman, UBS and Cowen pick travel stocks set to a takeoff in 2022. JP Morgan, UBS and more think chip stocks can rally further and name their top. FedEx reinstates 2022 profit target, share jumps. After leading $20 billion Figma deal adopts, David Wadhwani is in prime spot to be. HDFC Bank plans to issue 10 lakh credit cards each month. IDPL sale profitable. Hyderabad Metro will break even by financial year 2025. L&T development projects head. Apple's iPhone needs a shake-up. A new law might help. West Bengal, Odisha yet to get centers not for interest-free loans from Capex pool. Budget 2023. Governments must shift focus to lowering fiscal deficit to 3%, says former Finance Secretary Garg. We have significant dry powder left for acquisition after L&T IDPL buy. Edelweiss's alternatives infra fronts head. US EU pressure on Iran could backfire and help conservatives further consolidate power. Delivery to acquire supply chain software company algorithm for rupees 15 crore. Wipro Consumer Care plans to invest rupees 100 crore in growing D2C startup ecosystem. SoftBank cuts India investment by 84% in 2022. Amid macroeconomic headwinds, India's tech policy should balance safety and trust with certainty and innovation, said by Sundar Pichai. Street View: Temasek in talks to invest 50 to 60 million in smart fan make Atomberg at valuation of $350 million. B2B commerce firm Softel expects 10 million in revenue by early 2023. Clever Tap appoints OYO Satyadeep Mishra as CHRO. India among the fastest growing markets for Nutanix, said by Raju Ramaswamy. HDFC Bank acquires 7.75% stake in payments startup Mint Oak. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel.